Hey guys, and welcome back. So it's been a hectic few weeks. We have been uploading and uploading and uploading. Guys, I hope I'm bringing you the right content and you are actually happy with what I'm actually doing for you guys. Uh, Please guys, my aim for this month is to actually reach 100 subscribers. I've been working really hard, bringing you the content, the new repos, Kodi, news, everything about streaming, guys. So hitting that subscribe button will really help my channel. It's a brand new channel, guys, and I need your help, guys. So today I've got a great new add-on called Kratos. Guys, it's really good. It's going to help you in the streaming world. Remember, Kodi is under attack. A lot of repositories are not working. A lot of developers are stopping their work. So whatever extra add-ons you can get is going to give you a better experience. Guys, let's get to it. So Kratos itself. So you got movies, TV shows, spotlight, TV collections, movie collections, new TV shows, catch up, tools, search, and even track, guys. So let's get to it. Let's open up movies, guys. One thing I have noticed about Kratos after using it is it does take a bit longer to open up, but once opened it actually works flawlessly, guys. So you've got under movies, you got featured, popular, new movies, top rated, in theaters, which will be your 2018 releases, guys, Marvel Universe, Oscar, Disney for the kids collection as well, holidays, genres, and years. Guys, you got a search option as well, which you can use to actually pick up your content. Remember guys, your 2018 releases will actually be a lot of cam versions, but you will get some HD versions. Let's try one of the movies, guys. Top rated, for instance. Just going to show you how it actually works, how it scrapes the content as well. So as you see, there's a wide variety that actually picks up 2018, 2015. It's all highly rated movies, guys. So let's open up one of the movies and actually see what happens from there. Let's open up Avengers, guys. A new movie. So I'm sure you guys are willing and wanting to see if it actually works. So we're gonna actually go through this. As you see, Kratos working for you. Now it's starting to scrape the sources. As you see, there's no 1080 links. However, on older sources, you will get 1080 links. It's picking up HD and standard links. It's working quite fast in actually scraping these links. I think we have sufficient sources. I'm going to cancel there. And there we have it, guys. So remember, OpenLoad is quite a fast server, but majority of times it's going to ask you to actually pair up your device. So you need to go to olpair.com and pair up your device on your network, which will give you 4 hours of OpenLoad free time. So I'm just going to try one of the direct links. It's a standard link, guys, just to show you that it actually works. There you have it, guys. It opens up. You're getting a standard view. I'm gonna stop it there, and that's it, guys. So let's get down to actually installing this new add-on. So firstly, you're gonna go back out. You're gonna go to settings. You're gonna go to file manager, and you're gonna add a source. So where it says none, you're gonna enter the source, guys. I'm just gonna give you a quick rundown on that source. So yours should look like this, guys. So where it said none, you're gonna type in http://ukodi1.com, and then you're gonna add a source name as well. Then once you've done that, you're gonna click OK. Guys, I will leave this link in the description, so you can actually copy down from there. You're gonna click OK, and then you're gonna go back out to the main menu, guys. Once you're there, you're going to click on add-ons. Then you're going to click on the box at the top left corner, and you're going to install from zip file. Then you're going to look for whatever repo name you've given it. So I've called it Kodi. You're going to click on that, and you're going to use the repository Kodi1.zip. So you're going to click on that, and you're going to wait for the pop-up to come up telling you that the add-on has been installed. As you see, guys, mine says add-on updated. Yours should pop up telling you add-on installed. Once installed, you're going to go to install from repository. Then you're going to pick up Kodi1, and you're going to click on that. You're going to go to video add-ons, and you're going to go down to Kratos, guys. There's it here. You click on that, and where mine says uninstall, yours is going to tell you install. Once installed, you click open, and there we have it, guys. Kratos opened up. Perfect for movies, TV shows, a good alternative to Exodus as well, a good alternative to Neptune Rising. Even though there's no IPTV, guys, it's for movies and TV shows, and it works flawlessly. So guys, remember, as I said in the beginning, my channel is new. I'm bringing you great content. I would love to hear from you. So leave your comments down below. Help me by subscribing and hit the thumbs up as well, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video.